Hi, I'm Mahdy. Today I'm going to show you how to convert MBR to GPT during Windows installation. Sometimes when you are trying to install Windows on your PC, Windows cannot be installed for MBR or GPT problem. In this case, you are required to convert MBR to GPT or GPT to MBR to get the problem fixed. But how can you make it? Okay, let's see how to convert MBR to GPT during Windows installation.
Automated defense during activated.
Windows cannot be installed on drive 0 partition 2 because the selected disk has an MBR partition table. On EFI systems, Windows can only be installed to GPT disk. So I need to convert the disk to GPT from MBR partition. Now let's click Shift plus F10 for command prompt. Now type disk part and click enter. Now type list disks and enter. There are 3 disks, disk 0 and disk 1 and disk 2. For Windows setup I want to use disk 0. So select disk 0. And enter. Now type clean and click enter. Now type convert GPT and enter. Now type exit and click enter. Okay, let's go. Now quite the form. Now this is unallocated space. New, apply. Okay. Now the drive is GPT form. So next. Okay. Installing Windows.
Automated defense during